everyone, welcome back to Grow with the VS. I am Kritika Sethia.
And I'm Anjali Sethia.
Hope our last episode on UX design and how it matters and resonates with the entire digital marketing strategy and growth was valuable and could help at least a few of you.
So, today, with everything going on with all of us, the whole world is connected through memes. Memes have become an important part, an important language for brands, for creators to connect with the audience. And who doesn't love memes?
No matter what social media platform you use today, you cannot escape the millions of memes that are posted daily everywhere. And yes, that is the future of social media marketing for everyone out there. From using 100% of your brains to Babu Bhaiya to just Baat Badal Gaye and obviously to Binod and many more. So today we are bringing you modern solution to all your modern marketing problems.
So, our guest on today's talk is a content creator who has worked as a radio jockey in Mumbai, later moved to Dubai and created his own super hilarious video meme page called Postries. And now, guys, he's creating his own unique and humorous content on his new page.
With delight, we would like to welcome Rohit Bharti, also known as Vivid Bharti, on our talk show today. How are you, Bidu? And welcome to the talk.
Hello. I'm good. I'm great. I am Dhamal. That's what I use these days. That's my catchphrase. It's become a catchphrase. I don't know how. I keep on changing. अभी फिलहाल मेरा धमाल चल रहा है.
So Rohit, जैसा कि आज हम बात कर रहे हैं content creation के बारे में. So tell us about your journey from Postries to Vivid Bharti.
Okay, so what happened was in 2010 I was in Bombay. As soon as I graduated, I got a job, Touchwood, and I started as a writer. Okay, and in 2 years' time, I moved to Dubai. Another radio station, they heard one of my promos and they were like, "Arey bhai, aa jao tum." मैं बोला, "अरे दिरहम आएंगे क्यों नहीं आएंगे?" So I came to Dubai, and by that time the digital boom was happening. YouTube वगैरह launch हो चुका था, and people were trying new things, this and that. And so I was like, I obviously wanted to try some kind of humor. And because I had a bit of tech knowledge, like I could edit videos, I could do Photoshop and all of that. So I started making videos, certain videos called Caption Bollywood. That became very famous. I got that thing went on to India Times, First Post, Scoop, like 3-4 pages it went on to. So I started doing that back in 2012. And because phones वगैरह पे लोग को उतनी आदत नहीं थी, तब ये चीज़ बहुत new थी. So I had become instant viral only because news cover कर रहे थे, and because I got to know that a lot of people back in agencies like AIB and TVF, the content creators, they used to watch my stuff, and I felt amazing. Wow. So I'm like, मैं तो entertainer का entertainment बन गया. I did that, and I wanted to experiment more. Then I started a series called Bollywood Beats, where I used to take Bollywood songs and I used to mix EDM songs with it, Bollywood videos and EDM songs. That also started doing well, so I was like, good. But क्या हुआ 2-3 साल बाद that copyright thing came in, and I started getting shot left, right, and center with all your big production houses. I was like, चलो ठीक है, अभी बहुत हो गया. And then I realized that people knew Postries because Postries grew. अभी Postries is what 2.7 lakh people on my Facebook on Postries. Okay. Yes, I did have a lot of people coming in कि हमारे brands के लिए करो, ये करो, वो करो. But because I was already earning, तब मुझे नहीं चाहिए था. I was like, नहीं यार ठीक है, brands के लिए करूँगा. I didn't want to be a sellout. I didn't realize that this could be actually a way of life where you can earn full-time money. So then what happened was I was like, नहीं अब तो खुद का कुछ करना पड़ेगा. So then I was like, I'll start Vivid Bharti. My handle has been Vivid Bharti. My name is Rohit Bharti. So, and then I started doing Vivid Bharti. But Vivid Bharti का problem क्या था पता है क्या? I was very conscious actually of the way I look. Extremely conscious the way I look. Yaar, putting myself out there, people looking at me, I don't look good, and I don't have a good build, I don't have good hair, good color skin, stuff like that. So what happened was eventually, यहाँ पर मैंने दुबई में एक page चालू किया था called Tidding, the sound Tidding. एक पेज मैंने दुबई में चालू किया purely for the Dubai audience because Dubai में there is no local entertainment, सिर्फ radio entertainment है यहाँ पर. So then I was like, let's start something digital. So I started digital for Tidding, and I had to do something. I had to act in it because actors को hire करो तो उनको पैसा दो, उनके साथ deal करो, ये करो. Then I was like, चलो start करते हैं.
सबसे ज़्यादा important, I think, the research part of it. And when you don't have a team in place for that, and sometimes people don't realize कि sarcasm, humor, that can come organically to you, but then to stay topical to the memes, to stay topical to the content, उसके लिए पूरा research process लगता है. It has to be systematic.
one who have that instinct to identify the meme or the content subject. So which part was more difficult for you to, work on it?
Actually Vine started all of this 6 seconds. Vine से चालू किया and then उसके बाद डब स्मैश भी आया था जो 6-8 सेकंड था. उसके बाद टिकटॉक आया, उसके बाद now reels is there. So now दो 15 सेकंड वाला भी अगर तुम करते हो ना तो people start calling that meme. Now there is no generic term to something like कि meme मतलब एक image ही होना चाहिए. Because what I do, जो हम लोग 15 सेकंड वीडियो या 20 सेकंड वीडियो या 5 मिनट वीडियोस करते हैं, that can be called as a sketch or a gag. You know what I mean? It can be called a sketch or a gag, but meme is just images. तो अभी क्या हो गया है? When you make a meme, it becomes very easy. क्योंकि तुम्हें सिर्फ इमेज एडिट करना है. You don't have to do anything about it. Like but obviously you need a lot of knowledge. जैसे कि अगर to make a meme, you need to know currently क्या चल रहा है. You need to use references and then you need to edit all of that and then you need to put it out. All that for free just to get likes. That's a lot of मेहनत, right? एंड देन उसके बाद भी तुम्हारा चेहरा कोई नहीं पहचान रहा है. तुमने गणेश गायतोंडे का फेस उठाया, तुमने बाबू भैया का फेस उठाया है, so तुम्हारा चेहरा कोई नहीं, तुम्हारा सिर्फ पेज है और वो कोई भी आराम से स्टील कर सकता है. किसी ने भी उठा के तुम्हारा वाटरमार्क हटा दिया. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू वीडियोस, इट इज वो तो है मेहनत, बट वीडियोस में तो डबल ट्रिपल मेहनत है. Because video mein you have to script, you have to shoot, you have to edit. At the same time, it has to be good enough for somebody to watch for 15 seconds or 20 seconds or 30 seconds. Because image में क्या है, तुमने scroll कर दिया, तुमने देखा, मतलब it's like 2 या 3 सेकंड तुमने देखा, तुम्हें पसंद आया, तुमने like किया, अगर नहीं आया तो फिर you just move up. But video में people have to invest time in you. So it starts from there. So it is बहुत मेहनत लगती है. So how do I identify my target audience? Number one, I don't identify. Number one, I do what I like. बहुत ही सिंपल है. अभी तो स्पेसिफिकली लाइक अभी जैसे जिब्रिश वाली चीज है इंस्टाग्राम पे जो मैं जिब्रिश चैलेंज करता हूँ. आई डोंट नो हाउ दैट बिकेम फेमस. ओके, मुझे किसी ने भेजा, बोला कि ब्रो यू शुड ट्राई दिस. मैं बोला ठीक है मैं ट्राई करता हूँ. मैंने ट्राई किया ना, पुट अप द वीडियो. ठीक है, 1 week आफ्टर आई सी उस पे 100,000 व्यूज है इंस्टाग्राम पे. आई वाज लाइक मुझे कंबाइंड इतने व्यूज नहीं मिले मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पर. So that gibberish and all of that thing happened and उससे ज़्यादा फॉलोइंग वगैरह बढ़ गई. And then I realized कि तुम वीडियोस अलग अलग तरीके से कर सकते हो. या तो तुम स्क्रिप्ट करो या तो तुम बैठो. जो मैं करता हूँ, मेरा एक यूट्यूब चैनल है वेयर आई डू समथिंग कॉल्ड एज फ्राइड आइटम, जहाँ पे मैं गाने को रोस्ट करता हूँ, सॉर्ट ऑफ रिविजिट करता हूँ. नॉट रोस्ट करता हूँ, रिविजिट करता हूँ. So I sit and I watch that song, I script, I see वहाँ पे जोक्स क्या क्या बन सकते हैं. And then I'm someone who believes in कि अगर मैं कुछ प्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ, मुझे लगता है एक फैमिली सामने बैठ के देख सकती है. मेरा मानना वो है. I'm someone I'll never use cuss word. So yeah, so videos and memes, that's this thing. I don't मैं ऐसा सोचता नहीं हूँ कि मेरी ऑडियंस को ये पसंद आएगा तो मैं ये करूंगा. नहीं, अगर मुझे अच्छी लगती है कोई चीज तो मैं करता हूँ. It doesn't matter whether they like it or not. I might get 5 views, 10 views, 15 views, but I want to experiment. I want to continue experimenting. Otherwise, मैं जिब्रिश चैलेंज कैसे बनाता, मैं ये रोस्ट कैसे बनाता, मैं रिएक्शन वीडियोस कैसे बनाता, व्लॉग्स कैसे बनाता अगर मैं एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं करता तो. So yeah, so that's that.
Absolutely. It's so rightly put that it comes from within and you should go for it and the rest just follows.
Alright, so for people who want to follow this path of, creating content and want to do it as a startup, what advice do you have for them?
Or the kind of research process that they can follow. So what would you suggest for that?
पहली बात तो I would say don't, as I said. पहली बात तो don't, because it has to come to you naturally. अगर naturally आया है तो तुमने चालू कर दिया होगा. You don't have to, because this is not a career option. I mean, eventually it can be, but it is way harder than a CA exam or an IAS exam, because यहाँ पर तुम्हें result आएगा कि नहीं आएगा ये भी नहीं पता है. Like you could be a YouTuber for like 10 years and you could still get just 100 views or 200 views, and you could be a YouTuber for 1 month and you could have 1 million subscribers overnight. So it can work, it can go either way. You know what I'm saying? So अगर कोई ये करना चाहता है, if somebody really wants to do out of passion, I would say, ठीक है, out of work पहली बात तो मत सोचो. Out of passion, if you want to do, great, you start a page, you identify what you like doing. ठीक है, मैं बहुत ही clear हूँ. Somebody comes to my page, they know ये बंदा Bollywood है. I'm very extremely clear and I'm owning that space for myself. कि अगर मेरे पास बाजीगर के चश्मे हैं जिसमें काजोल दिख रही है, शिल्पा शेट्टी दिख रही है, वो सब रखे मेरे पास, because that's how I am. So you have to accept that that's how you are, and only then you will.
तो कभी कभार क्या होता है ना कि लोगों को पता है कि वो फनी है, but they don't know the starting point कि कहाँ से चालू करें, what process to follow in between, क्या एक end point होना चाहिए, so that.
इट इज डिफिकल्ट, आई टोटली अंडरस्टैंड, इट इज डिफिकल्ट. और क्या है ना, ये प्रोसेस मतलब मैं पहले से बोल के डराना नहीं चाहता लोगों को, बट ये बहुत ही हार्ड प्रोसेस है, बहुत ज्यादा ही हार्ड प्रोसेस है ये. लाइक आई हैंडल 5 पेजेस, ठीक है, और वो 5 मेरे पर्सनल मीम पेजेस हैं. उसके बाद आई एम ऑल्सो फ्रीलांसर फॉर डिजिटल, मैं 12 क्लाइंट्स हैंडल करता हूँ. So on a daily basis, I have to come up with content. I have a social media calendar. मेरा पर्सनल कैलेंडर है, उसके बाद क्लाइंट्स के कैलेंडर्स होते हैं कि भाई हफ्ते में 4 या 3 पोस्ट जाने चाहिए, you know. So it can take a lot on you. At the same time, you have to be on the trending wagon. So वो क्या होता है ना, these days one of the simplest things what people do is, in order to make memes, वो लोग ट्विटर पर है, ठीक है. ट्विटर पर तुमने कोई जोक मारा, उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लिया, तुमने इंस्टाग्राम पे शेयर किया, वही चीज तुमने फेसबुक पे शेयर किया, खत्म. एक ट्वीट, एक पोस्ट, हो गया तुम्हारा काम. ऐसे तुमने दिन भर एक किया, तुम्हारे 7 पोस्ट हो गए फॉर द वीक. ओके, दैट इज द इजीएस्ट फॉर्मेट. बट व्हाट इफ यू आर नॉट फनी विथ योर वर्ड्स? बिकॉज ट्विटर पे टू बी फनी यू हैव टू बी फनी विथ योर वर्ड्स. देयर इज इमेज सपोर्ट बट उतना नहीं है, ठीक है. देन उसके बाद आता है इमेज वाला, वेयर यू हैव टू मेक मीम्स, ठीक है. देन यू हैव इंस्टाग्राम, देन यू हैव फेसबुक. तुमने वहां पे मीम्स बना के अपलोड कर दिया, हो गया. बट टू बिगिन विथ, तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स तुमको फॉलो करने चाहिए. जैसे कि फॉर लेट्स से somebody who thinks that they are funny, they want to start. They want to start. So what they do is, pehle they'll start making. There are a lot of pages these days. Lot of pages, like a lot of groups on Facebook. What they do is, they will invite you to join the group and post your jokes. Then they will screenshot your joke and put it on their page. So तुम्हारे joke का reach देख के पता चलेगा whether you're good or not. So you continue putting your jokes there, but you have started your page, and then you ask that page to tag your personal page, so people can follow you now. So मेहनत, मतलब you know, it's like that this thing is to start a brand, you have to do market research. This is that kind of a thing.
Okay, so lastly, it's our fun section, and of course, we cannot bid adieu to you without your favorite and our super favorite, the gibberish challenge. And हमने curate किया है for this section exclusively for you, the Bollywood gibberish challenge.
रोप निप अन्नाटी, नीचे का नहीं दिख रहा है. रोप निप अन्नाटी. अरे नीचे कुछ है क्या? रोप निप अन्नाटी जॉली.
All right. So let's do the second one. This will be easy, sure.
Chure Owen Cham. Yes.
So now let's go for the third one.
Tile Kima Natani. Tile Kima Natani. दिल है कि मानता नहीं. अरे
So अभी तक का स्कोर है विविड भारती 2 and virtual sting 1.
All right. So here is a challenge.
नैना चानेट युवा चना चानेट युवा चनैना.
Time out.
अरे यार.
अच्छा, तो अभी स्कोर हो गया है 2 all. Let's see, we have 3 more to go.
फूल और कांटे.
Vivid Bharti's का score is 3 and virtual sting का 2. You're winning. Let's see. So the next one is very easy. ये तो मतलब 2 सेकंड में कोई भी guess कर लेगा, but we are still giving you 5 seconds. Let's see.
ठीक है. फिराए राल्फ हैरी. Oh, meme reference.
I think Kritika is getting a lot of time. Huh?
Yes, absolutely right. So now you are 4, and we are on 2. This is the last one, but you have to score 5 to win. So let's see if you can guess this one.
काय पोचे, धमाल.
Wow, you guessed it right. Kai Poche. It was amazing. It was so much fun.
Thank you so much, Rohit. That was some golden tips for the creators and the brands who want to stay topical and humorous in the market.
Thank you so much, Kritika and Anjali. It was really great. And
So much fun.
Alright guys, we shall take your leave. We hope you have enjoyed this as much as we did. Stay tuned with us and like, share and subscribe. Don't forget.
TVS signing off.